Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video. Where in today's one, we're taking a look at the Vinted website, and I'll be talking to you guys about bans and how can you get your account unbanned and what do you need to do in order to how much time you need to wait in order for your ban to pass. So let's jump right into it. First of all, here I've opened up an article that explains the idea behind banning and why it may occur. So, your account banning may happen when a member violates the terms and conditions. If you believe that there has been a misunderstanding regarding your banned account, you can appeal to their moderation decision. So you'll find the appeal link in the Vinted inbox message or email where they notified you about the ban. So essentially, there are two types of bans, the temporary and the permanent one. The temporary one says that your account will be unbanned automatically after 7 to 30 days, depending on the reason. Unfortunately, you can't unban it earlier unless you provide evidence that the account was banned by mistake. So, if you're temporary banned, you will get your profile in 7 to 30 days, or you can appeal for that ban to be removed immediately if you have good arguments. So there is also a permanent ban, which everyone is afraid of, which is basically a ban forever. So what do you need to do and what actions can you take once your account is banned is to contact them to inquire about the possibility of unbanning your account or withdrawing earnings from your Vinted balance. Essentially, those are the couple of methods that you can sort your bans out on your Vinted account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.